Good morning, student. This is the continuation video of chapter 22, that is preposition for standard 6 children. Here is an important note. Let's see what is it. Some words are used as both prepositions and adverbs. There are some words which are used as both prepositions and adverb. So, to know whether a word is a preposition or an adverb, remember that a preposition is always followed by a noun or a pronoun. So, you have to remember this point that a preposition will always govern a noun or a pronoun, while an adverb will not. So, a preposition is always followed by a noun, while an adverb is not followed by a noun. Let's see the example. The cat is sitting on the piano. On the piano, hence it is the preposition, as it is followed by the noun the piano. The game is on. This is used as an adverb. One more example which comes in my mind is the bank manager in? Is the bank manager in? Used as an adverb. Is the bank manager in his room? Used as a preposition because it is followed by the noun his room. Now, the correct usage of preposition. Some words are only followed by specific type of preposition. So, some words they take the specific prepositions. What are they? Prepositions with verb. Some verbs take only certain prepositions after them. So, some words they take certain types of prepositions after them, like talk plus to. Who was the man you were talking to? It will take the preposition to. Shout at. Shout will take the preposition at. She got very angry and started shouting at me. Talk about. We talked about a lot of things at the meeting. Blame for. The driver was blamed for the accident. Care for. We should care for the environment. So, remember this, children. Some words will be followed by specific prepositions, and this verbs take only this certain types of preposition, like talk plus to, shout at, talk about, blame for, care for. Look after. You can borrow this book if you promise to look after it. Suffer from. The number of people suffering from heart disease has increased. So, suffer will take the preposition from. Depend on. What time will you arrive? I don't know. It depends on the traffic. Believe in. Do you believe in God? Divide into. The property was divided into 4 parts. Provide with. The school provide the students with books. Now, prepositions with noun. Some noun are always followed by specific preposition. Check will take the preposition for. They sent me a check for 1,000 rupees. So, when the word check is used as noun, it will take the preposition for. Cause of. Nobody knows what the cause of the fire was. increase in. There has been an increase in the number of villages which have electricity now. Invitation to. Did you get an invitation to Kunal's birthday party? Connection with. It's not connect with, it is connection with. The police want to question the man in connection with the robbery. Now, prepositions with adjective. Some adjective take specific prepositions after them, like rude plus to. Why were you rude to Nitish? Proud of. Mr. Kumar is very proud of his daughter's achievement. Delighted with. The principal was delighted with the good performance of the students in the board exams. Surprised by. Everybody was surprised by the news. Impressed with. I am impressed with the service in this restaurant. Tired of. She was tired of having to study all day. Sorry for. I am sorry for shouting at you yesterday. Afraid of. Are you afraid of dogs? Different from. The film was different from what I had expected. Interested in. Are you interested in sports? Dependent on. I don't want to be dependent on anybody. Famous for. Kashmir is famous for its handicraft. So remember students, some words are followed by certain types of prepositions. When some words behave as a verb, they take certain types of prepositions after them, and some nouns, they take certain types of prepositions after them. Some adjectives, they take certain types of prepositions after them. In the third part, I'll teach you the difference. There are some prepositions that look almost same, but they have different meanings. So we'll learn that in the next video. Thank you, students.